Welcome. In today's episode, I will discuss the impact of consuming oats on our health. I believe many of you will be surprised by the facts presented in today's episode. So let's get right into the video. Before I explain the health benefits of oats, and there are many, I will clarify the differences between the types of oats available on store shelves. We can choose between instant oats, regular oats, and steel-cut oats. These oats differ in their level of processing, which affects their nutritional values and health properties. The best choice is undoubtedly regular oats with the least processing. They are made by mechanically flattening whole oat grains. Steel-cut oats undergo an additional process of chopping before flattening, making them slightly easier to digest, which is not a desirable feature. The most processed are instant oats, which are steamed to soften them. Therefore, it's worth getting used to regular oats, even though they require the longest cooking or soaking. Their superiority over other oats is best demonstrated by comparing nutritional values. 100 grams of regular oats contain as much as 10 grams of fiber, including 3 to 8 grams of the very beneficial beta-glucan. This makes oats one of the top cereal sources of this valuable compound. Additionally, oats are a true treasure trove of magnesium, phosphorus, iron, copper, B vitamins, and calcium. Few people know that oats are also a source of protein with an excellent amino acid profile. 100 grams of oats contain 10 to 15 grams of protein. Steel-cut oats contain slightly less fiber, about 6 grams per 100 grams, and instant oats contain even less. They also have lower amounts of vitamins and minerals. Many of the health benefits of oats are primarily due to their fiber content, especially the soluble fraction, beta-glucan, mentioned earlier. So, how do oats affect our health? Firstly, studies show that 3 grams of beta-glucan daily from oats significantly boost our immune system's efficiency. To provide this amount of beta-glucan, it is enough to consume 2/3 cup of oats. Thus, oats, as an excellent source of beta-glucan, can strengthen our body's natural immunity. Oats also positively affect our blood lipid profile, thanks again to beta-glucan, which helps lower total cholesterol, LDL fraction, and triglycerides, which have atherosclerotic potential. This action of oats is possible by reducing cholesterol absorption from the digestive tract and their ability to bind bile acids. This reduces the availability of dietary cholesterol and limits its synthesis within the body. It is also worth mentioning another valuable property of beta-glucan. It limits the formation of the most dangerous cholesterol particles, oxidized LDL cholesterol, which initiates the formation of atherosclerotic plaque. Such an impact of oats on the body is of great importance in preventing cardiovascular diseases developing from lipid disorders, such as atherosclerosis, coronary heart disease, heart attack, or stroke. In one clinical study, it was shown that consuming 3 grams of beta-glucan daily for 3 weeks leads to a noticeable reduction in total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol without affecting HDL cholesterol. In another study, the effect of beta-glucan consumption on the lipid profile in individuals with elevated blood cholesterol levels was evaluated. Comparing the results at the beginning and at the 8th week of the study, a decrease in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides was observed in the group consuming oats, along with an increase in HDL cholesterol. Oats also normalized blood glucose levels due to the high content of beta-glucan, which reduces glucose absorption from the digestive tract. Thanks to its water-binding property, this soluble fiber fraction forms a gel in the intestines that slows glucose absorption. Furthermore, beta-glucan increases the sensitivity of cells to insulin, which is especially beneficial for those at risk of developing insulin resistance or diabetes or those suffering from these hormonal disorders. Clinical studies have shown, among other things, that consuming 6 grams of beta-glucan daily for at least 4 weeks reduces blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Another analysis, evaluating the impact of consuming not only beta-glucan but also oats, confirmed the ability to lower fasting glucose levels and glycated hemoglobin by consuming oats. Scientists have proven that supplementing a diabetic diet with oats allows for better glycemic control and can reduce the insulin dose given to patients by up to 40%. However, the most beneficial impact on blood glucose levels will undoubtedly come from regular oats, which are the richest in fiber and beta-glucan. Additionally, it is crucial to prepare oats in a way that lowers their glycemic load. What exactly does this mean? Carbohydrates and oats should be consumed with healthy fats such as nuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds, which significantly reduce the glycemic load of oats. Oats can also be allies in maintaining a slim figure. As a fiber-rich product, oats can help maintain a healthy body weight. Eating fiber-rich meals provides a longer feeling of fullness as it slows glucose absorption in the intestines and delays stomach emptying. Moreover, beta-glucan influences the gut-brain axis through neurotransmitters like cholecystokinin, leading to a greater feeling of satiety after a meal and lower calorie intake. Regular consumption of soluble fiber, abundant in oats, can also help combat the most unwanted accumulation of fat tissue in the abdominal area, especially by women. Among other grains, oats stand out for their unique antioxidants called avenanthramides. These antioxidants are exclusively found in oats and exhibit a range of health benefits for our bodies. These are why oats have a beneficial effect on the cardiovascular system. Why? Because avenanthramides, like other antioxidants, neutralize free radicals. Scientists have shown that this group of compounds has a unique ability to reduce blood pressure and improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels and increasing nitric oxide production. Furthermore, these unique oat antioxidants have anti-atherosclerotic properties, which, combined with similar beta-glucan activity, make oats an excellent grain for supporting cardiovascular function and protecting it from chronic diseases. The high antioxidant content of oats also gives them anti-asthmatic and anti-allergic properties. Parents of young children will be interested to know that introducing oats into a baby's diet after 5 months of age reduces the risk of allergic conditions such as rhinitis or asthma. Another benefit of consuming oats, which may surprise many people, is maintaining bone health. Once again, beta-glucan takes center stage as it protects against osteoporosis. It can inhibit bone resorption and activate bone formation processes. Furthermore, not everyone knows that oats contain silicon, which strengthens bone structure. Oats can also normalize our sleep and improve our mental well-being. Thanks to their excellent amino acid profile, oats provide us with plenty of tryptophan, an amino acid involved in synthesizing the sleep hormone melatonin. This amino acid is also a precursor of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for a good mood. Therefore, you can enjoy oatmeal for breakfast and dinner, ensuring a good night's sleep and a cheerful mood throughout the day. Regular consumption of oats also supports the proper functioning of our intestines, primarily due to the soluble fiber content, followed by the insoluble fiber. Oats improve food transit and prevent constipation. Studies have shown that incorporating oats into the diet can be effective enough in combating constipation to replace the use of laxatives. Normalizing bowel movements is not the only benefit for our digestive system. Oats can positively affect the composition of our gut microbiota. As a result of intestinal fermentation of beta-glucan, the synthesis of short-chain fatty acids, especially butyrate, increases in the large intestine, maintaining intestinal wall integrity and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria that inhibit pathogenic species proliferation. Importantly, scientists have shown that the avenanthramides, saponins, and beta-glucan in oats can reduce the risk of colon cancer development. Regarding cancer prevention, it is worth noting that beta-glucan from oats exhibits anti-cancer activity against melanoma, lung cancer, and colon cancer cells. Finally, we must ask ourselves, are oats suitable for everyone? When consumed in reasonable amounts as part of a balanced meal, they can be eaten without concern. However, frequent consumption of processed oats with unhealthy additives may contribute to weight gain and disrupt insulin and carbohydrate metabolism. It is also essential to increase fluid intake, especially water, when consuming oats, as this applies to fiber-rich products to prevent bloating. Raw oats contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can limit the absorption of calcium, iron, and magnesium. Cooking oats or soaking them in water for 12 to 16 hours can reduce its amount. So, let's enjoy a bowl of oats soaked overnight in water or plant milk, with added nuts, blueberries, and Greek yogurt more often. And that's all from me for today. Thank you for your attention, and as always, I invite you to the next episode.